guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are making a vision board for next 4 months. आज है July 30th. So from August till December I want to make this. मेरे को करना था ये साल के start में obviously, but हुआ नहीं. I was waiting for my friends कि साथ करेंगे. We all got busy with our lives and we could not just do it. So now I thought कि maybe at least for the last quarter of the year I will do whatever I can. जो मेरा wishes है, जो I really want some things to work out. So I'm gonna make a vision board and you guys are gonna come with me. Okay, so we have got the cardboard. I have a black chart paper as well. मैंने बड़ा वाला लिया cardboard because I have no idea how I'm gonna do it, because पहले कभी बनाया नहीं है मैंने, and this is the first time I'm making. I have around 10 to 11 pictures, so I don't know how I'm gonna figure out. I mean, I still have to figure it out. तो मैंने सोचा बड़ा ले लेते फिर देखेंगे. And I've also got a black chart paper. तो भी उसको इस पे चिपका के then I'm planning to put pictures, but let's see. ये first I'm gonna drop at my mom's and then we'll go and take pictures and then let's see, we'll figure something out. I got everything. I got all the pictures that I needed. I have got my cardboard, my chart paper, I've got scissors and I have this gum. I don't know how much I can depend on these, but अभी इससे काम चलाना पड़ेगा. If this doesn't work out, we'll see something later. For now, first I'm gonna cut all the pictures क्योंकि A4 में है, so I'm gonna cut the only thing I need and then maybe we can stick. Let's start with cutting. So we have gotten all the pictures, सारे cut हो गए हैं and I'm gonna stick now. First I'm gonna paste this on this and then we'll see कि कैसे अरेंज करना है. इट्स वेरी, मेरे को लगा ईजी होगा बट इट्स नॉट ईजी. बहुत है यार, बहुत काम है इसमें. बट एनीवे, लेट्स डू इट. Initially I tried to stick the black sheet with the gum, but obviously it did not work out. So instead I used the sellotape to secure it, and then I started sticking all the pictures in the priority order with the help of Fevistick. I still was a little bit confused about how this is going to turn out, but I guess I did pretty well. Okay, finally we are done for the last quarter of the year. This is my vision board. You can see it here. So I'm gonna explain quickly what all it is. Okay, firstly it's YouTube monetization. It has been my dream for last 10 years to do this, but I never had the courage. I was always in the fear of being judged. So मैंने कभी नहीं किया था, but now I feel there have been some incidents because of which I have gained bad experiences, but उसके वजह से इतना तो पता चला कि भाड़ में गई दुनिया, मेरे को जो करना है मैं वो करूँगी. So this is what is very important. अगर आपने लास्ट वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज़ गो एंड वॉच. आई पुट लिंक समवेयर. यहाँ पे कहीं पॉपअप आता है यूजुअली, सो क्लिक ऑन दैट. कौन सी लिंक, कैसी लिंक शूट ही नहीं किया है आपने, बट दिस एंड डेट विल बी देयर फॉर श्योर. ओके, बाय. स्टार्टेड माय न्यू पॉडकास्ट विद माय मॉम. फर्स्ट एपिसोड आ गया है, सेकेंड एपिसोड नेक्स्ट संडे आएगा. स्टे ट्यून्ड, वी हैव सम इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स दैट वी आर गोना. Okay, some storage problem in phone, but okay, let's move forward. So that's I don't want my podcast कि एकदम फेमस ही हो जाओ, नहीं, but at least slightly थोड़ा सा मतलब लोग देखें, लोग समझे, लोग जाने, पसंद करें. Then read more books. Since I have gotten married, it's been what, 2.5 years, almost. 7th month ख़त्म हो गया, 8th month चालू होगा, 2.8 years around, and I have not even read one complete book. No, I read one book, and that's only one, I think. Prajakta Kohli ka Too Good to Be True. I read only that one book, and I'm not happy about it. I'm someone who loves reading. I have tons of books in my wait list कि ये पढ़ना है. I have lots of books that I already purchased but not been able to read. So that's one of my biggest goal कि वो तो भाई करना है, कुछ भी हो जाए ज़िंदगी में books और भी पढ़नी है. Then moving on, this right here, this one, ये वाला, it's like a opening. So I have a dream of opening a space, a studio for myself, no one else. I mean, eventually I will open a bigger studio, but right now I want a studio where I can be myself, where it is easier for me to shoot videos and vlogs. ये अभी क्या होता है कि ऑफिस जाने से पहले मम्मा के घर पे आके कर रही हूँ, या ऑफिस से आने के बाद I have to come here and shoot it. मेरे घर पे भी I can do it, like at my in-laws house also I can do it, but मेरा रूम छोटा है, so I don't get that space. यहाँ पे I get space, so I want my own personal space, so I want my studio. So that is one of the things that I am keeping in my mind as of now कि वो भी करना है. Then 1000 subscribers on YouTube, but also on my Instagram. I'm very close. तो अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो फॉलो नहीं किया है तो go and follow, links are down below. Also सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लो यार. It will be a huge help. You will be a huge part in helping me to overcome my dream, achieve my dream. Then financial freedom. There are some things where I feel I should be earning more instead of spending more. So if these things happen, this is something that will be in the flow, like next step. Then one of the biggest thing after reading after these two is this one about losing weight. I have been trying to losing weight. It's not easy. I have PCOD, I have mental health issues, बहुत कुछ है, but it's my goal this year. So it says, chuck it, I am losing weight this year, eat healthy, and yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, brand collaboration. यहाँ पे है brand collaborations. मे बी इतना तो नहीं, आई डोंट नो दिसंबर तक क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा, बट इवन इफ आई गेट वन ब्रांड कोलैब या कुछ भी तो भी आई विल बी वेरी हैप्पी. बट या दिस इज माई गोल फॉर नेक्स्ट 4 months. इट्स लाइक लेट्स काउंट हाउ मेनी 1 2 I'm extremely sorry. So it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yeah, so there are 8, so kind of 2 for each month जो बाकी है. I'm not in the center of the frame. Wow. Okay, so yeah, let's hope. आज है 30th of July. I'll be posting this video around 5th of August, and we will come back to this video on first of January तो नहीं, but in the first week of January and see क्या क्या हमने अचीव किया है. And I wish in 8 में से at least I am able to finish, like achieve at least 5 of them, at least 5. So we are planning to do, and in this I need all of your support. So please help me achieve this vision. और please सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लो, फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हो तो लिंक्स नीचे है, प्लीज़ फॉलो करो. अगर लास्ट पॉडकास्ट आपको अच्छा लगा है तो, and if you want to see some more podcasts like that, let me know. If there is any particular topic that you want us to discuss, then also you can comment, but please help me, and I will be here to entertain you for next many years, fingers crossed. And that's it for the day, guys. I hope you actually liked today's video and vlog. I have been trying to do this for a very long time, but नहीं हो पा रहा था because of some or other commitments. But now that it is done, I'm very happy. I'm actually genuinely very happy. And so yes, that's it. I'll see you in the next vlog or next video, and until then, I'm so sorry. Until then, stay happy and be yourself. Be you हमेशा guys. Bye.